Good day, magandang umaga, fellow sneakerheads. This will be a tutorial video on how to use Carrot Restoration's Restore Shoe Glue and the all-purpose primer package. I will be teaching you how to reglue partial separations like this on this j12. So just take note, these are the materials needed. Ito po ang mga kailangan. Cotton roll, bulak, nail polish remover, brush, pusher, a tweezer, hair blower, yung may mainit, yung may warm air option. Kailangan ito para ma-activate yung glue. Alright, so first step would be cleaning. So you would need the cotton, the nail polish remover. Alright, so first clean the old glue. So this is where dito nyo kailangan tong tweezer na to, maipasok nyo ng husto and mapunasan nyo ng husto yung separations para matanggal yung old factory glue. Alright, so kung pagpakiramdaman nyo madikit, sticky, ibig sabihin sumama na yung factory glue. So kung madikit pa, ibig sabihin kulang pa yung linis. So ulit-ulit lang to, repeat the process until hindi na madikit yung bulak pagkapunas nyo dito. So sa mga partial separations, kailangan nyo talagang i-check ng mabuti kung hanggang saan ba talaga yung separation. Katulad nito, habang nilinis ko, lumuwang yung separation, pati dito bumuka yun. So kailangan idamay na yan. You can also use the hair blower to help you clean the old factory glue. Painitin nyo lang siya at para pag nainit na matutunaw yung expired na factory glue, mas madaling kuskusin. Yun, diba? Malinis na. Okay, so natanggal na natin yung factory glue na expired. Next step, application ng primer. So isang coat lang, hindi kailangan makapal, kahit manipis. Okay, so kailangan nyo hawakan pag hiwalay nyo itong separation para hindi magdikit, para matuyo itong primer nang hindi nagdidikit. So after maglagay ng primer, let's leave it to dry for at least 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, you can now put the first coat of the glue. Hindi kailangang makapal, kahit manipis lang. So after the first coat of the glue, let it dry for another 30 seconds. Longer, kahit mas matagal, mas okay. So after 30 seconds or more, pwede na natin ilagay yung second coating ng glue, which is also the last. Alright, so yun na yung last coating. So leave it dry for at least 2 minutes. Kung mas mahaba, mas maganda. Ako minsan at least 30 minutes ko iniiwan para siguradong tuyo. So iwan muna natin, patuyuin muna natin, and then pagbalik natin, ididikit na natin. So ito na yung pinakamasayang part, ididikit na natin. So napatuyo ko siya ng 15 minutes. So first, get your hair blower, put it in the warm, and let's activate the glue. Activation will take around 30 seconds. Okay, so malalaman yung activated na siya pag medyo naging shiny, or kung napapaso na yung daliri yung nagkahawak doon, or basta pag 30 seconds na painit nyo, no, activated na yan. So yan na, pagdikitin na natin. Pisil nyo lang ng gusto, at syempre siguraduhin yung naka-position bago nyo ipisil. Tulad nyan, yun. Pisil nyo lang na medyo matagal, na 10 seconds. Alright, it's done. So napagdikit na natin. So curing time or drying time will take 24 hours. So huwag muna kayo, pagka reglue nyo, huwag mo munang gamitin, iwan nyo muna ng isang araw, 24 hours. So after 24 hours, pwede nyo i-stress test. Pag hindi na nagbubo, ibig sabihin successful yung reglue. Ganoon lang kadali mag-reglue, kaibigan. At paano gamitin itong Restore Secret Shoe Glue. So again, this is 250 package, 60 ml. You get the shoe glue and the primer together. So the whole process just took me 30 minutes. So if you want to buy my glue, you can just PM me on my personal account or on my page, Carrot Shoe Restorations, and we can send via shipping outside Baguio City. Shipping fee is 100 to 150. May mas malaking mga package din, message nyo lang ako. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and until the next one, guys. Peace.